The ongoing Russia-Ukraine war has caused huge humanitarian crisis with millions of people being displaced and left homeless. But there is also some other repercussions to it. What is that? It is the environmental disaster which unfolds. We know that Ukraine is heavily industrialized country. The attacks on civil and military causing huge air, water and ground pollution. Ukraine has large concentration of power generating stations, chemical plants and liberation of hazardous chemicals. If these sites were attacked, it can cause short-term and long-term extensive damage to the country. And who could forget the infamous Chernobyl nuclear disaster? The city in Ukraine has been called as Ghost City, and region around this disaster site is inhabitable for 20,000 years. And who wants some other environmental disaster akin to this which makes the entire country inhabitable? The destruction of countries' hydroelectric dams could cause the downstream flooding and massive soil erosion and large-scale destruction. These events pose acute or chronic health risks to the people and seizes their right to the healthy environment. This kind of conflicts not only affects the embattled countries but also all other countries, diverting its attention from its climate changes. This also has great impacts on the countries which depend on the embattled countries for importing of natural resources. These facts could send chills down the spine. But some things were never in control. The tragedy of the war is that it uses the humans best to do the humans first.